Okay, you may facing the problem like this. Okay, firstly, you need to make sure your internet connecting, because here I use the Wi-Fi for the VPN. So okay, this already can to be overseas internet. Now you may have a problem like this way. You cannot log in the Google App Store. So now I show you the instruction how you can make it done to reset in this. Okay. First I need to go to the system. Next, go to the app side. See all the app. Here like the Google Chrome. You may already open up. There is a data, so need to like this to make all the data clean. First I need to be ensure those software is stopped. Okay, but you will stop here as well. See, there is a so should be force stop. Okay, force stop, and then data clean it, manage it, data clean. Second one, Google App Store stop. Okay, clean, and the data as well. Okay, all clean. Okay, and how about some others like the Google system stop, clean it, manage it, all the system data clean up. Okay, after this done, we get back to the Play Store. Click here. Okay, you will see there is the update. Before there is only play protect setting, so now update. After this update done, the solution, you can log in the Google App Store after those information uploading. Okay, those information is updated. See, because there is the firmware setting up like this way, so all the devices will be pre-active before any shipment. Now just wait for a while. The video is a little bit longer. You can see from here. For the updating data, it depends on the timing. So some will be differently update leaks from this updating. Okay. After those done, the Google App Store can be logged in. So the most important thing must be connect the internet first successfully, especially the overseas one. Is not the China one or any area banning the Google service. Because some location will banning the cannot, is forbidden to be used the Google App Store. So this location need to change the IP, like the VPN, to achieve the online service. The video will be a little bit longer because I want to take it in full process. After those done, how will be that we like. So in this way, you can have the full image experience for how to fix this issue for cannot log in the Google App Store after the firmware or the factory resetting for all the data that we move or erase. Just while it's almost done, we almost reached there. Maybe the overseas internet is not that good. Because recently some parties issue to make the Wi-Fi a little bit delayed or lagging. A little bit patient, please. Because here we use the VPN for the internet supporting. Okay, speech recognition. Okay, after those updated, now it will show up the login interface for the Google App Store. After those processes have been done successfully. That's it. Because while it activating, it will check the information from the Google system, and because the Wi-Fi speed here for the VPN is not that quick, so it will take some time for waiting for the final result. The video will take a little bit more time, so hope you all will be very patient on this process. Actually, if the Wi-Fi internet on your side should be more faster than here, because we use the VPN service and the speed is limited, so it will take a longer time. But on your side, as the overseas network, for that will be more faster. Okay, that will be more faster. Then that will be done. Okay, so let me check what is going on here. Stop it, and okay, you can see, you can log in now. This page is done. If you cannot get the information like the updates, so you just follow the same step for like several times or whatever, like the clean up the data is from the Chrome App Store, Google service, and then to get back to the Play Store, then you can log in. Okay, thank you.